Okay, here's another process on how to automate place the air terminals, flexible ducts, and then the ducts also, as well as the equipment, the VAV. So once you align this diffuser to the ceilings and coordinated to other discipline, then we're ready to place now the flexible ducts, the ducts, and then the equipment. So if you have a large project, then you will manually repeat all this process. So you place air terminal, you size the flexible duct one by one, you select this one, you can select multiple, and then resize here the ducts. So you select also the ducts, and then resize here one by one. You select the width and the height. So if you have a Dynamo script, it will automate all this process, including also the size of this VAV. Okay, so it all applies from supply and return ducts. Okay, so to be able to run the script, you must have the perfect system. So this one's, let's say I select this air terminal. The air terminal has a shared parameter of calculated flow and manual flow. So why there are two parameters? Because sometimes when you select or switch system, Rabbit will automatically change the value of the flow to 0. So if you don't have the manual flow, then all your air terminal or diffusers will set to 0. Then now your value of your duct flow will be 0. So that's why you have a backup manual flow, so that when this calculated flow is 0, Revit will automatically set sometimes in the project. Then when this one is 0 here, okay, I will change this one to calculated. Okay, so when this one is 0, you know that it's already Revit changed the value of the calculated flow, the default flow, to 0 instead of 500. That's why you have to modify again this one to 500. So the manual flow will be your backup and like a safety measure, so that you have a flow, the correct flow, even if sometimes when Revit overwrite it. Okay, so you have the flexible duct and then baby. So I think we're ready now to automate the sizing for this one. So watch here so this air terminal is SG1, 600 by 600 SG1. Okay, and all this. Okay, so we're going to select now the first air terminal, or you can select together along this one here. You can select also like that, as long as that's all the branch. Okay, so once you select that one, then you just play this one, and then the diffuser will change according to the flow. So the current flow is 500 cmh or 139 lps. When you press play, it will change now the air terminal. So it's changed to SG2. This is the size of correct size of the diffuser. So if you select here, let's say 139 lps, 139 lps. So the equivalent diameter is 223. So more or less I converted back to 200. Okay, so this diameter here, sorry, 0.8, 139. So more or less 220 to, or equivalent diameter of the earth terminal will be 200. So that's, I just put back to 200. Now the sizing will be 200 by 200 also. So no need to select this one and then press here 200 by 200. You just select the Dynamo player, select this one, and then play. And then select again this branch here, play. Okay. And then select this branch, play. Okay. Okay, I will undo this one. You cannot select the two together, the two branch or the two transition. If I play this one, it will create an error. You see this one. Then I have to delete again this one and then connect here. So that's the issue. That's why selecting only one duct in this script. Okay. Now, so if you want to check the sizing of 417 LPS, 417 250 is 400 by 250. Now the size of this one is a current 2 millimeter diameter of this VAV. Now if we run again the Dynamo player or the Dynamo, I select this one and then play. Watch this VAV change to the correct sizing. So 1500 cmh is equal to 417 lps. So 417 lps is equivalent to 300 diameter for the VAV. So you see they are equal. Okay, so again in here, just select this Dynamo player here, select all this branch, and let's try to play. Okay, so for this one, I think I did not update the return. So I can select this one and then place this one to instead of, okay, this should be 300 RG2. Okay, I did not update the, okay, match this one, match. Okay, so just select the branch here, play. Okay, similar to this one, play. Play. And play. Click and select and play, select and play, and this will be your sizing 400 by 250. You can select now this one. You can select also here 400 by 250. So of course you have to adjust some of its. So that's how you automate the sizing of the ducts and VAV. And then you'll continue to the next room, do the same. So I'll show you the script. Okay, so think system abbreviation, this one, so I have to change the return. Where is the, okay, I'll copy this one. And change this one here. So this one will be RG1 to 3 here, here. And that's it. Save this one. Then you have the complete system. Anyway, I'll post the script.